Hi, my dear students. Welcome to the world of computer networking. Today we are going to learn about computer networking. For 12th standard students, out of your 70 marks, you are having 10 marks weightage for these computer networking portions. In this chapter, we have to learn about lot of things like type of networking, different networking devices or hardware used in networking, and you have to face questions related to this in application level. So let me start with computer networking. First of all, I want to know what is networking. In our daily life, we are seeing a lot of networking. That means connection of anything is known as networking. And if you are connecting the computers, it is known as computer networking. That is, interconnection of computers is known as computer networking. There is a computer network is a collection of interconnected autonomous computing devices so as to exchange information or share resources. Let me check computer networking in detail. Here it's a pictorial representation of computer networking. In this picture, we are able to see that a lot of devices like PCs, laptops, tabs, printers, scanners are connected to each other. That is, it is connected to a network. As we all know, in this world, everything is having lot of advantages and disadvantages. Same as in computer networking also, it's having lot of advantages and disadvantages. Let me check what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer networking. First of all, we have to check the advantages of networking. The advantages of network, first one is share the resources, such as we are able to share the hardware resources such as printers, scanners, etc. And we can also share the software resources, same like the hardware resources. And over the network, we are able to share the storage, and also we are able to improve the communications. Let me check the disadvantages of networks. The systems are most sophisticated and complex to run. This can add to cost, and you may need specialist staff to run the network. That is the first disadvantage of network. Next one is, if the networks are badly managed, services can become unusable and productivity fails. And third one is, if softwares and files are held centrally, it may be impossible to carry out any work if the central server fails. People become reliant on the communications. If these fails, it can cause harm. And last one is, file sharing is more important, especially if connected to WAN. That is, example, we need to protect it from the viruses. These are the advantages and disadvantages of computer networking. Let me check the major components of a computer network. The major components of a computer network are host or nodes, that is PCs or laptops or smartphone, what we are connecting to the network. Second one is servers. Server is a computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network. That is known as a server. Then client machines. Client is a related term. A client computer is a host computer that requests for some services from a server. And fourth one is network hardware, such as NICs, routers, switch, hub. A lot of network hardware devices are there. Then next one is communication channel. Communication channels are cables, radio links, etc., etc. That is, we are having wired communication network and wireless communication network. And fourth one is software. The software such as protocols, network operating system, etc. Protocols means the rules and regulations which governs a computer network is known as the protocols. The next one is network services such as BNS, file sharing, etc. These all things we will discuss in our later topics in detail. Let me start with the types of networks. On the basis of geographical spread, network is classified into four types. They are PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. PAN is personal area network, which is the network we are using inside our house. LAN is local area network. It is the interconnection of computers inside a small office or a building. And MAN is metropolitan area network. It is the interconnection of computers over a city. And the fourth one is WAN. WAN is wide area network, which is the interconnection of computers all over the world. Internet is a typical example for WAN. Based on the component role, that is the role played by the network computers in the network operation, it is again classified into two types, that is peer-to-peer network and client-server architecture. In peer-to-peer network, each and every computer is having the same status, and in client-server architecture, the client machines are having the same status and server machine is having a different status, that is a better status than the client computer. That is client server architecture. Based on communication channel, the computer networking is divided into two. Is wired computer network, that is guided network, and wireless computer network, it is unguided network. In wired computer network, the host and other devices are interconnected through a wired cable. There are mainly three types of wired networks are there. One is twisted pair cable, second one is coaxial cable, and third one is fiber optic cable. In twisted pair cable, a cable pair of insulated wire that are twisted together to improve electromagnetic capability and to reduce noise from outside sources. Example for twisted pair cable are Cat1 cables, Cat2, Cat3, Cat4, Cat5 and Cat6 cables. Nowadays we are commonly using this Cat6 cables for networking, for LAN networking in our offices and in our schools, everywhere. Normally we are using Cat6 cables. And next one is coaxial cable. This type of cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shields, each separated by some kind of plastic insulator. There are mainly two types of coaxial cable. One is thick net and other one is thin net. And the third one is fiber optic cable or optic fiber cable. It is consisting of a bundle of glass threads, each of which is capable of transmitting messages modulated onto light waves. Common type of fiber optics cables are single node and multi-node. In wireless network connectivity, we are connecting the computer through any wireless medium. Lot of wireless medium we are aware about, such as Wi-Fi, microwaves, radio waves, satellites, infrared rays, radio frequencies. These all were some of the wireless mediums we are using for wireless communication network. Dear students, hope you understand different types of computer networking, and in our next class we will discuss about network devices, various type of hardwares, etc. and so on. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.